Good morning, everybody. Today we are in Virginia, which is a first for me. I have never visited Virginia before except for driving through it. So today we're going to do a little exploring of Virginia. So I'm super excited about being here today.
Yeah, we're on a bigger adventure, but this was a small stop along the way to our bigger adventure. But this is in the George Washington National Forest, and we are going to go see Crabtree Falls. I googled the tallest waterfall in Virginia. This is the one it pulled up for me. This is what they consider their tallest waterfall. From what I read on Google, this waterfalls is a series of 5 drops for a total of 1,200 feet elevation. So let's go see what we can find along the way to Crabtree Falls. Look how clear this water is. This is the Tyro River. We are down in the lower parking area. We'll walk up here to the trailhead. They do have restrooms here at the National Forest trailhead parking. Yes, here on the kiosk, Crabtree Falls Trail is a 2.9-mile trail featuring a series of 5 major cascades and a number of smaller ones that fall a total distance of 1,200 feet. The trail is universally accessible to the first overlook, so that's nice. Oh, there's a little gravestone. What is that? I'm gonna go see what that is. I know, we've got 3 miles to walk and I'm piddling. So we've just spotted a couple of gravestones here. Let's see what we got. Fitzgerald, A.W. Fitzgerald, August 8th, 1844, February 5th, 1917. And Mary Elizabeth Fitzgerald, July 16th, 1833 to July 7th, 1924. Oh, look, here's another spot. We can jump on the Appalachian Trail here. Yeah, we've seen the Appalachian Trail a bunch this year. All right. I don't know if this camera is going to show it, but for us, we can see it sparkling right up the mountainside there. You can see the water cascading and sparkling. Danger. The rocks are covered with a plant growth that makes them extremely slippery. 23 people have died while climbing on these rocks. View the falls from designated areas only. Wow, 23 people. So stay in designated areas, y'all. Gosh, y'all, Virginia is beautiful. This is March 1st, a gorgeous sunny day. And right here, the lower falls. So Crabtree Falls goes that way, the trail goes that way. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at all these great observation platforms they have.
Come down here and look up.
Hope you can see it sparkling up there.
From here you can actually see 3 drops.
Yep, yep. Beautiful. This is almost like, it's got a curve in it like Bald River Falls.
Yeah.
still have snow March 1st here in Virginia. Me too. They really have a cool trail to get to the top of all 5 drops here. Taking you out to show you the mountainside. And they just switch back you all the way up to the top. Not much view here, huh? Still going up.
top of a mountain. So my question is, where does all this water come from? And does it flow year-round? You know, this is our first visit here. We're not very knowledgeable on the waterfall, but those are some interesting questions about this place. I'd like to come back and visit during dry season to see how strong these waterfalls are flowing, if at all.
Yeah, if you know any more about Crabtree Falls than we do, just let us know in the comments below. Another great viewpoint. So we just sat down, we rested a bit. We sat down and looked at maps. And up here, looks like the very tippy top is where we're gonna go. And our trail switchbacks right there. So let's go, let's get to the top.
This is such a beautiful waterfall, but it's very, very difficult to capture the beauty of it. And you're always tempted to get out here on these boulders and get a better photograph or better video to get a better angle on it. But it is really frowned upon here at the State Forest, National Forest, to get off trail. There have been several people die out here, and just don't want to be one of those people to get hurt or injured and have to be rescued.
Don't risk it and risk others' lives.
It is awful tempting though.
Yeah, yeah. At every viewpoint, I mean, I read the sign in the beginning, but at every viewpoint they have the same danger slick rock sign. So, I mean, it's out there.
You start tumbling, you might not stop till you get to the bottom.
Yeah, it's steep. Little rock shelter. Pretty neat. Wow, look how beautiful. This is our last drop here, or first drop, depends on how you want to look at it. First drop along the waterfall, the last one we get to see. It is gorgeous. Okay, the last mile marker I saw was 1.4, I think. And now we got this on last viewpoint of the falls. So the trail will go up a little farther, but this is all the waterfalls we'll see.
This has been a wonderful adventure and a very pleasant way to introduce myself into the state of Virginia. Starting with the ride here. The ride here was gorgeous, and then we get here and these cascades of waterfalls all the way up this steep hike. You know,
it's pretty strenuous.
Very challenging. Lots of elevation change in a short distance of hiking.
So I came through here, I'm so glad we stopped today because I came through here back in October and I bypassed it because I was just tired. I'd been on the road for about 2 weeks. I was ready to get on home and I bypassed it and I've regretted it ever since. So we've gotten the opportunity again and we couldn't pass it up this time. Yeah. I'm kind of battling a flu bug coming out of it. I'm coming out of it. So, you know, if I can make it with a little bit of flu bug, just take your time and rest. You can get up here and see all of this.
Lots of beautiful places along the way to stop and just admire the beauty of the trail and the waterfalls.
Yeah. All right, we have loved bringing you along with us on this trip to see Crabtree Falls today. If you got a little bit of joy, a little bit of value out of the video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we'd love to take you along on the next adventure.